Researchers at U of T Scarborough are now sequencing its entire genome to see how this seemingly unremarkable fish has been able to adapt to such extreme environments. Here you have this small, humble fish that has been able to survive in these really tough habitats, and we don't know much about it, especially how it's been able to adapt over time. Deepwater sculpins live almost exclusively in lakes with depths greater than 35 meters and temperatures colder th. Physically it is relatively long and flat, with two small black eyes that sit on top of its head. Full-grown adults are small, usually between 10 to 15 centimeters, 4 to 6 inches, long and weigh less than 25 grams, less than 1 ounce. Over time they gradually adapted to these freshwater conditions. Alex van Nijneten, a postdoc in the Lovejoy lab, is currently undertaking the enormous task of poring over reams of data in an effort to sequence the fish's genome. It's possible that as the deeper it went, they weren't being preyed on by birds anymore, so that defense mechanism was no longer necessary, he says. The fact the fish has undergone such drastic changes in a relatively short period of time makes it a fascinating subject for a genetic study, says van Nijneten. The researchers would also like to eventually sequence the genome of the four-horned sculpin in order to compare the two species. It's currently listed as a species of special concern under Canada's Species at Risk Act. In an effort to help with monitoring, Lovejoy's lab is working with Professor Nick Mandrick on developing a technique that relies on environmental DNA analysis. One of the big problems with climate change is that it forces everything living in a lake deeper and deeper into cold water, so there's much more competition, says van Nijneten. Having a way to monitor their numbers would be very beneficial, especially because they live in such deep, inaccessible environments. Materials provided by University of Toronto. Original written by Don Campbell. Note: content may be edited for style and length. University of Toronto. Odd fish has adapted to Canada's deepest, coldest lakes. Science Daily. Retrieved July 5, 2022 from ift.tt/phkirby University of Toronto. Odd fish has adapted to Canada's deepest, coldest lakes. Science Daily. https://ift.tt/phcurbi. Access July 5, 2022. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.